Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't.
All right, good morning, everybody. Today makes day 43. So this is actually probably the first video or first dialogue in the last series of 75 Sauce. So this should be the beginning of part 3. Everything is going really good. It is 6:15. It's a little late for me to be starting to work out, but it is what it is. So I'm getting ready to jump on the treadmill and just walk. That's it. Today's Monday, so normally before 75 Soft, this would have just been my stretching day, but because you have to do some kind of movement, this is just active recovery, so I'm just going to do a 45-minute walk. I may do a 30-minute walk and a 15-minute stretch, but let's go ahead and get started and see what the next 3 to 4 weeks looks like. Alright, so good morning, everybody. Today is day 44, and it is 7 o'clock. I am finishing up the last, 7 minutes of my walk. After, well, this is my 15-minute walk. I just got through doing 30-minute lower body. And so I'm actually going out of town tomorrow to Little Rock. And I know how to travel and work out, but as you probably saw from the last video, go back and watch part 2 if you haven't seen it. I got kind of sick and congested the last time I went out of town. And so I'm just hoping that doesn't happen this time, because my allergies acted a donkey when I went out of town last time. So we'll see. But everything's going good. Okay, so today is day 44, and I'm actually going to Little Rock today, traveling for a sorority conference, and so I'm gonna go and knock this run out, and I might actually do an outdoor walk with Mr. Bacon, my dog. Some of y'all have asked about my dog in my videos. His name is Mr. Bacon. He's a Chihuahua. He appears in probably most of my videos in the background. So if you love Chihuahuas or dogs, leave a comment down below. I'm not a dog person, but I do love my little Chihuahua. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out, and we'll get on the road. So I made it to Arkansas. I'm in Hope, Arkansas. The only thing I know about Hope, Arkansas is this is like where Bill Clinton is from. And so I'm about an hour and 45 minutes from Little Rock, just getting gas. Y'all, I want some Wendy's french fries so bad. And you know how it is when you're traveling, like there's just a lowered sense of like discipline, because you're like, oh, I'm on the road, I'm traveling. But no. Get behind me, Satan. And I love french fries. Get behind me. Just came back from Walmart and I grabbed some things because, y'all, this is not a game. So I grabbed some blue tortilla corn chips, which honestly, they're not really even that much healthier than regular corn chips. Some Skinny Pop just to snack on. And my daughter's coming, so she wanted these little oatmeal protein things. I don't like oatmeal, so I'm definitely not eating that. Some bars just to snack on too as well. And then God, fruits. I wish I could have just bought a whole bunch of vegetables. I got some turkey sausage, which I really don't normally like to eat this kind of sausage because it's super processed, but we're on the road, so it's better than what it would be like if we were going to a restaurant. Then these are some bagel keto. I'm not doing keto, but they're bagel thins, so they're only 80 calories. Then I got some spicy guacamole to go with the chips. And then I got this big thing of iced coffee from Starbucks. And I got some creamer to go with it. So we'll drink that the next couple of days. My daughter likes iced coffee, so that'll work out. This is an almond coconut creamer and sugar-free. So we'll make that, and then bananas for my baby girl, because I also hate bananas. So yeah, we're gonna keep going and doing what we need to do even on the road. Luckily there's a microwave and a refrigerator here, so it works out. So this was my outfit. This was the jumpsuit when it all came together. Yeah. 25 years in sisterhood to Alpha Kappa Alpha. Celebrate this evening. So 45-minute run in the morning though. So today's day 51. I'm back at home. Today is my active recovery day, so I'm actually gonna go for a 45-minute walk. It is 5:20 in the morning, and yeah, I'm gonna do a 30-minute walk and come back and do a 15-minute stretch. Not sure. It is day 54. I'm about to jump on the treadmill. It is Saturday. Y'all, it is 1:17 in the afternoon. I can't think of the last time I've run in the afternoon. I don't know that I've exercised in the middle of the day probably in over a year. I mean, either I'm obviously 95% of the time going to do it in the morning, or the rare time I do it in the evening, but the middle of the day, absolutely not. And when I tell you I'm dreading running, but I did take some pre-workout, so it's starting to kick in. So we're going to go ahead and try to conquer this. There's 3 10-minute splits. So you're running 10 minutes straight. There's a split where you can walk for a little bit, 10 minutes straight. I think it's like 3-minute walk, and then another 10-minute split. So I'm definitely going to probably also have to put my own headphones in, because I doubt that I'm gonna want to hear the music that's gonna be on this class for the next 45 minutes, but we'll see. Alright, it's day 55. It's actually Mother's Day here in the United States. And so, y'all, it is unseasonably beautiful weather in Houston. It is 67 degrees, and the high today is only 76. Now, with that being said, it is going to be almost 100 degrees on Wednesday. Like, it's like a jump scare weather. But today, I'm going to go on a 3-mile walk, because I'm actually going to switch up my active recovery day today instead of tomorrow, which is Monday, because I am getting ready to hit a milestone on Peloton, and I want to do a live running class. So let's just enjoy the weather. Those pancakes.
You are on the saddle for a very special ride. What you are clipped in for is a 30-minute hip-hop tour of the South. You clean them up, you plug them in. Some tables and mics, but every country in the world got somebody that writes. You know?
Alright, so today is day 61. That means there's only 2 more weeks to go. I am getting ready to run. This week has been... It's been a week. Not in a bad way. Both of my kids are home-ish, around-ish. So, like, it's the middle of the week, we're watching the movies, like, at 10 o'clock at night. It's the middle of the week, we're eating out at, like, 10 o'clock at night. So, my whole sleep schedule is just jacked up. My daughter is actually going back to her apartment today, and she won't be back till next week, so I could probably, like, get a reset. But, yeah, everything's been going okay. I'll get into more details. Workouts are solid, no problems there. Well, drinking the water has been a little sus. So let me go ahead and get on this treadmill.
Second way is to push down on that stop button on your crossbar. And the third is to use your safety key. Just make sure you know which side is to clip and which side is to magnet. Can we please make sure our shoes are double knotted and there are no people, pets, objects, any obstructions around that tread?
Okay, so let's get into what I ate over the last 3 weeks. Here you can see a little bit of healthy mixed with just a little bit on the edge. These were those French fries I didn't get in Little Rock. Now, let me give you a quick, easy 30-minute meal prep that you can do. So basically, this is any kind of chicken of your choice, diced up, frozen broccoli straight out the package, put it in a pan, add a little bit of water, and you're going to add about a little bit of a quarter cup of cheese. You're going to mix in any kind of microwaved rice. This is a rice medley from Trader Joe's. You're going to add just a little bit more cheese to that broccoli. I'm actually putting in probably a couple of teaspoons of oat milk in here, or you can use regular milk. And then I'm going to season it with some Tony Sacharins, and I'm gonna mix it with the chicken that you saw earlier. Now, it is completely up to you if you want to mix this into the rice and the broccoli, or you want the chicken on the side. This actually turned out to be more food than I expected, and I was able to make lunch for 4 full days. So for me, I put the chicken on the side, but it is totally up to you. You can definitely mix it into the medley, whatever floats your boat. And there you go, 30-minute meal prep. This probably costs less than $15. Now, every video, I swear to God, I put some kind of meal that I enjoy, and I know y'all are gonna start to think that I really be on fried chicken like that, but I do not. It just so happens the last video and this video, our meal that we kind of splurged on was fried chicken. So also, it is always really important to remain grounded during 75 soft. I don't ever let my Bible study get past me. I just have to have that quiet time because I'm really putting my body through a lot. Like, this is 64, 65 days nonstop. And then the book that I'm reading is The Sky Full of Elephants. And let's talk about the results. So as a reminder, this was day 1. This was actually, I believe, March 17th. And so you can see this is where we started. Wasn't terrible, but this is where we are on day 62. So far, I believe in this clip, I've lost a total of 8 pounds. But you can definitely see the difference in my back, in my side, in my midsection. And I just feel y'all so much better. Here are some side-by-side shots. And I will see you in the next video.